Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and today I'm gonna show you how to copy or steal the color grading of one image and paste it to the another image. This tutorial is going to be quite different and maybe some of you will find it little bit difficult, but don't worry, I will make you understand everything in detail. So let's begin. First of all, go to the file and then export and select the option save for web. If you have the older versions of the Photoshop, then you will find this option below the export. Now as you can see, there are 256 color, but we don't need all of it, so just type in here 3, 4 or 5. I will type 3 in here for this example. Now click here and select the option Save Color Table. I have already created the folder for this. I will simply name this as a color grading. Now hit OK. Now simply hit cancel. Now go to this image and just create the gradient map adjustment layer. Now go to the windows and then swatches. Click here and select the option import swatches. So I will go to that folder I have created. So as you can see, there are no items showing here. So all you have to do is change the swatches to color table. Now hit load. Now you will see these three colors here. I have already created that, so they are showing two here. So now click here and just single click on the slider. Pick the color from this palette. All you have to do is write down the brightness of the color. So here it is 80. Now type it in the location section. Do it for all the three colors. Brightness is 87 here. I will type this in location section. Same for this color. Now change the blending mode to the soft light. If you think this is too much, then decrease the opacity of the layer. Now the next step is we will select the brightest, medium and the darkest shade color of this image. All you have to do is create a new layer and select the eye drop tool and pick the brightest color and just paint it on the blank layer. Do it for all the three colors. Now all you got to do is copy this layer and paste this layer in here above the gradient map. Place these colors wherever you want. Now all you have to do is create a curves adjustment layer. Double click on the white point, eyedrop tool, pick the brightest color, sorry for this. So now pick the brightest color and apply this color on the brightest side of this image. Do this for all the three colors. I will pick the gray point for the medium shade color. I was getting confused at that moment. Sorry for that. So now I will pick the black point for the darkest color. This is the black point, and now I have picked the brightest color, darkest color, and apply this on the darkest side of the image. Now I will decrease the little bit of opacity because I think this is too much. So now if you want more vibrance in the image, then create the vibrance adjustment layer just above the background layer. I will increase the little bit of vibrance. So this is it. I hope you all enjoyed this video, and if you did, then do not forget to subscribe to my channel for more such tutorial and hit that like button, and do not forget to follow me on Instagram. Link is in the description. And if you want amazing edits, then hit me up on Fiverr, and the link is in the description. I will see you all next week. Bye bye.